Hello friends, welcome back. Namaste. No handshake in this COVID period. As you have seen the thumbnail that in this video I am going to show you how to make whey protein at home. So the ingredients which we need to make whey protein are 1 liter of milk and 1 lemon, which will cost you around 1 liter of milk will cost you around 48 to 50 rupees and 1 lemon will cost you around 4 to 5 rupees. So before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you'll get all the notifications regarding all my videos. And if you want to connect with me personally, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is KaiNeverFalls, and I have given the link in my description, which will take you directly to my Instagram account. So let's move forward. Take 1 lemon and cut it into 2 parts. Squeeze the lemon in 20 ml water. You can see I have got 1 bowl and I am squeezing my lemon in that water, and that bowl has 10 to 20 ml of water. So it will become easier to add it in my milk. You can see this, as now we will add this in my milk. You can see how I am adding it. Spread it everywhere properly. You have to do this process by keeping your cooking gas on, so the breakdown will be easier. You can see how I am spreading it properly everywhere. Spread it everywhere properly. And now I will just mix it. You can see how I am mixing it. Just keep mixing for some time. Just keep mixing. Yeah. You have to mix it properly, so the breakdown process will be easily done. So keep mixing. So now you can see my whey protein is ready. The creamy part will be your paneer and the liquid part will be your whey protein. This water usually people throw as wastage because people usually don't have knowledge. This water which you can see in a liquid form is your whey protein. Companies and brands make protein powder by using this water. So now I will take 1 tea filter or a cloth to separate my whey protein from that paneer. You can see this is very less amount of whey protein water. Just to show you friends, you have to take 1 liter of milk. So 1 liter of milk will give you 32 grams of whey protein, which you need after your workout. Usually you need 25 to 32 grams of protein after your workout. Here we go. So friends, now you can make whey protein powder by using this water. You have to dehydrate this water in a container for 24 hours, and after that you have to blend it in a mixer. So you'll get whey protein powder. But if you'll take my opinion, don't waste your time doing this, because finally and after all you're going to add that whey protein powder in a water, because your body needs instant protein after workout and water is easily digested. So why don't you drink this natural whey protein water after your workout? So the paneer which is left, you can make matar paneer vegetable from this, which is high in protein, or also you can make paneer burji from this. So thank you for watching, and if you liked my video, give 1 thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and stay connected.